Hello, welcome to another video on how to square numbers easily. Today, we'll learn how to square numbers that end in 35 easily. It's a very simple process.
It involves only 3 steps.
Sorry for the
Step
background
1.
noise.
From the number you want to square, take the last 2 digits out. But since the number ends in 35, those last 2 digits will be 3 and 5. After this, just treat the remaining digits as one number. Let's call this number x just for the purpose of this trick. Step 2. We will use the x to compute the first digits of our answer. That's very simple. It's a clean formula I will show you shortly that we'll use to get the first digits of our answer. And finally, in step 3, we just attach 225 to what we got previously. And when I say attach, what I mean is just put the results you got previously side by side with 225, with 225 being on the right. This is similar to how we concatenate text in Excel or any other software. Before we move on, you have to know the formula we will use to calculate the first digits. Generally, for a number in the form x35, the square of that number will be in the following form: 10x squared plus 7x plus 1 attached to 225. So let's say we want to square the number 135. In this case, our x is obviously 1. From what we learned previously about how to identify the x. So substituting the 1 into the formula, we get the following. And if we simplify, we'll get 10 plus 7 plus 1, and 10 plus 7 plus 1 is 18. And then, if you take the brackets out, we will get 18 concatenated with 225. And this is our answer to 135 squared. Easy, isn't it? So let's try this easy trick on other numbers. For example, let's say 235. In this case, x is 2. So we'll put 2 inside, we'll get 10 times 2 squared plus 7 times 2 plus 1 attached to 225. If we simplify this further, we'll get 40 plus 14 plus 1 attached to 225. Further simplification yields 55225, which is the answer to 235 squared if you verify it with your calculator. Don't take my word for it. You can verify this with your calculator. In a similar way, we can compute the squares of other numbers ending in 35. In the case of 335, x is 3 and we get the answer as 112,225. In the case of 435, x is 4 and the answer is 189,225. If you are the very ambitious type and you want to try very large numbers, consider the following: 10,035 squared. Just a reminder, in this case, our x is 100, and if you put 100 inside, we'll get 10 times 10,000 plus 700 plus 1 attached to 225. That gives us 100,000 plus 700 plus 1 attached to 225. And finally, we get 100,701 attached to 225. And this is the answer to 10,035 squared. 100,701,225. If you want to understand why the trick works, even though it is mathematically unconventional, comment explain in the comment section and I'll treat that in the next video. You can also share your thoughts on why you think it works. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of this video. If this is your vibe, then kindly subscribe on YouTube to get more updates like this. Or if you're a TikTok guy, you can also follow me on TikTok. Thanks once again for watching. I'll see you in the next video.